G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Hare Forbes Machinery House. They are doing the most amazing thing for variety. Behind me here is a model, a 1/3 scale model of Flatbed Felix, which is a 1927 Chev. The original of that is in their showroom here in Northmead in New South Wales. However, what they've done is they've created this, the 1/3 scale Flatbed Felix, hand built. And when I say hand built, the one that's coming to variety is totally hand built by their team here. Even the steering wheel is timber. The machinery, all done. The metal, all done. Even the bonnet here is all steel, and this has been handcrafted as well, the radiator cap. Everything that you want is perfect. So if you've got a grandchild, a child, a hobby, a shed, showroom, whatever you want to make sure that your place is totally unique, this one is just being done for variety, and you can help variety now. And all you have to do is to bid, and you're gonna bid big because this is unique. It's all going to the kids. Hare Forbes Machinery House have been so generous to variety for years and years and years, and this is just unique. Best bid will win, and you're going to have something fabulous. It's in Northmead, New South Wales is where you'll be able to get it from at Hare Forbes Machinery House. And thank you to them.